to us. I don't know what happened.
What do you mean something came
Ran
out?
all the way to
What came out?
I don't know.
Where were you?
We were at the school.
Mark, he's dead, and I think they got Nick too. What was it?
Do you know what? I tried to video on my camera phone. Memory went low. What do you know? So I was talking about red light district and how powerful it is. Just like this weed I got here. I'm not high. I'm just really tired. I've been walking around all day. I flew today. Today's just been crazy, people. It's been delays because of the snow. Rule number 1, ladies and gentlemen, never travel to Amsterdam in December. Never do it, man. Never do it. Because December, cold, like when the plane was coming in from London Gatwick to into Amsterdam, like I could see a lot of clouds and sky. I know what you mean because I'm up in the air, but I mean because of the weather it was bad, man. Couldn't really see much. And big up to the pilot because I've never been on a plane like that shaked so much like that. I always sleep on planes anyway. It doesn't make any difference to me. Like I always sleep on planes. Doesn't really make a difference to me personally, you know. So I hope that sound is working okay. I just remembered. But I'm tired, man. I'm tired, legit. I'm tired. I'm crazy, man. I'm here trying to fucking, like, I don't roll, I don't smoke. Well, I do when I'm over here, but I don't roll. I'm not a frequent smoker by no means. You know, this is just something just to relax my head and chill me out. A little bit more, and yeah, and just help me. I got a pipe over there anyway, so even if I run out, I don't think I'm gonna run out. No, I don't think I'm gonna run out, man. Like I think this is lemon. I tried lemon haze last time. My brain just frazzled, beyond frazzled. You will not believe it, mate. But this is a place that I like. I love this place. I don't love this place because of weed, obviously, but it's just because it's so civil, you know. It's so civil. Like from what people have told me, the only issue that people have over here is you have this. Do you know what's so fucking weird? People hate to admit, by immigration, everyone's starting to dislike it. You know, I've got people back home that would be like, chat shit to Tobias. I'm like, no, mate, I'm not. Because over here, people are having issues with like Moroccans and Turkish. I got a manager who's Turkish. Like, he ain't too bad. Like, he's alright. He's an alright guy. Like, he's not too bad. I think the problem is a lot of these European countries, it's just, listen, they have a system that works. And then when people feel like they're entitled to try to alter that system for the base of their culture, and they try to justify it through that, you have a clash, man. You know, it just clashes. Sometimes the culture stuff needs to take a back door, you know what I mean? Needs to take a back seat. And people over here, from what I've spoken to people over here, it's mostly Moroccans that they're just like, unfortunately for me, I look kind of Moroccan. I'm not, but you know, I look at it, you know what I mean? And the other thing as well, like people try to talk Dutch to me. I was like, oh, cheers, you know. Not trying to beg it, trying to say, oh, look all Dutch, I look Dutch. Nah. I think for the most part, it's just, you know, people just expect everyone to speak Dutch. Fair play to them, you know, this is their country, you know what I mean? With their Tesla motors. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, people. It's so weird, man. Like, how is England not? How comes we have not got Tesla motors, like electric cars running throughout London? Do you know what I mean? I know you're gonna have one smart ass say, "Oh yeah, because of petrol." Yeah, but man, in the Netherlands, for a country of where it is and what it is, and basically the Netherlands is on the brink of a serious disaster due to global warming if it gets worse. For a country like this to be so smart, so energy sufficient, it's mind-blowing how the rest of the world doesn't jump on board. I don't get it. I don't understand, mate. You know, it's one of those things. You know, and even with the coffee shops and stuff, yeah. But the thing is, like, someone said to me, "Oh, why don't they have a coffee shop in the UK?" Because we're not mature enough. We just ain't. We ain't mature enough, man. You know, we've got a lot of immature individuals, and they make England have a bad name anyway. England's name for itself is go there, make money, and fuck off. That's pretty much it. But then you go there and you make money, you get taxed like crazy. Nah, mate, England is not the one anymore. I'm sorry. I know it might piss some people off, but it really isn't. You know, is this the country for it to be? If you look at it, it's weird because you can't even say long term because of global warming, but raising a kid here, yeah, most definitely. Raise a child here. Children here have respect. You know, I don't really see any antisocial kids. All I see for the most part is skaters. It's skaters. I just think these skater kids play too much Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2 or 3, you know what I mean? And that's not a bad thing. You know, I'd rather that than them, you know what I mean? It's just, they're civilized, man. I ain't having no magic mushrooms over here, by the way. I don't know. I've had such a dramatic, emotional few days, like, and anyone that's been on magic mushrooms knows that your emotions are fucking heightened. And I say to people that's been naughty, to men and women, yeah, that's been up to no good, and they want to come to a place that's with their partner, don't take the truffles, man. Because if you take the truffles and your partner asks you the question of, have you done this, have you done that, have you cheated, it'd be hard to swear it. Not saying that's happened to me, it's not happened to me. I haven't been put in that situation anyway, but I'm just saying, when you take magic mushrooms or truffles, your mind is in another dimension. It's in another dimension. If I was on high Hawaiians right now, I couldn't, this video would be really fucked up. This video would be like a video going for like an hour. You know, I've got a spare battery anyway, so I can use a spare battery for vlogs. I'll try to vlog. I still got a few days to correct the vlog. Tomorrow's gonna be mostly for camera stuff. I will take pictures. I'm gonna fucking ace this shit. This video is just a video. Like, I like making these videos all the time when I'm on my travels, man. It's like a video diary. You know, why not? You know, I do worry sometimes though, people. I worry because I have a hard time dealing with such things in life, man. It's so simple it's so simple when you think about it, or when I think about it. But at the same time, like, I try to be the best person I can be and be nice to people and to show a certain level of respect and love. And it's hard for me to be able to deal with such things when people shit on me afterwards, because I always think to myself, how do I avoid it? Do I be shitty, a shitty person in general? Like, what is it? It's like weird now. Like, life is weird. Life is like chess. You know, people just want to take everything you got and checkmate your ass. Women included, you know. Like my ex, you know, she's just immature. She's just immature. And it was like one of them ones where I'd need a fucking GoPro everywhere I went. Oh, what are you doing? Where are you going? Who you spoke to? What's her name? What's this person? What's this? It's like, what the fuck are you? You the fucking, you know, the police. Like, go away. Do you know what I mean? Like, And just because, like, rule number one, yeah, Asians done. No more Asians. All you Asians are blacklisted. Okay? No Pakistani, no Indian, no Bangladesh, no none of that. Chinese, you're not included in that list. You know, these people, these cultures, man. You look, just because your freedom is fucking suppressed, no need to try and infringe that shit on other people. Yeah, you have a choice, you have an option. Make your option. Yeah, it's your life at the end of the day. It's your journey. It's your experience. Might as well live it. You know what I mean? Fuck it. But it's weird, man, because I've helped a lot of people. Helped a lot of people. And I got shitted on, man. So, if I end up fucking over someone, I won't feel bad. You know, I won't feel bad. One thing I don't want to happen, I don't want it to be a situation where I snap, I go crazy, and I potentially kill someone. I don't want that. You know? Yeah, I don't want that. You know, people say to me about law of attraction or life is what you make it. It really isn't. You know, it really isn't. Law of attraction, yeah, okay. You read a couple of pages out of my fucking book. You look at law of attraction like, right, that's a fraud right there, boy. I was like, yep, pretty much. But I don't know. My goals, yeah, I'm trying to, I want to continue doing the acting. But the acting is just tricky, man, because what I get, like, the acting's tricky. I would love to do it. Like, I would love to do it, but sometimes my anxiety kicks in. Photography, people say they love it, but they're not really showing full support. You know, just feels like sometimes people just wanna, oh, what can you do for me? It's like, go away, man. I was like, I'm not in the mood, man. Right, so that's, oh shit. I'm just trying to remember. I built up what, a lemon haze and 2 lemon hazes and grey haze. So I'm just getting the rest of the fragments. But you know what? I'm gonna go downstairs. Alright, it's coming up to 1. Fuck, I'm tired, man. It's all the walking around. So tomorrow I'm gonna work on this vlog. I'm gonna go to High Street Blues, and then after that I'm gonna try go to, I'm just gonna be doing photography around Amsterdam. I'm gonna fucking ace it, man. I'm gonna fucking get some cool content, man, for myself, so I can come back and edit and be happy. I just, in all honesty, I want to start a family, man. That's what made me be happy. You know, it'll make me happy, and I know my mum and my dad will know that I'm extra happy. You know, they worry about me because they see me slightly changing. They see me, you know, breaking a little bit. You know, but people say why, and it's just like, because it's not as simple as you think. I think a lot of it is down to peer pressure from, like, you know, when you live in London and stuff. I don't want to hear no one say to me about money and shit, because you have people, you've got guys coming out of the fucking job centre, and they've got families and stuff, and I'm just like, what? And there's me working hard. What, I'm not entitled to that? Come on, man. Like, I deserve love in my life just like the next person. Well, I ain't no dickhead. I ain't no dickhead. Do you know what I mean? I always say to some people that I'm not an easy person to handle. And that's not me bragging. That's just me saying it is what it is. Because I could have easily went with someone fat mampy and fucking dealt with that. But no. Alright. We'll make another video.